How to say I need some fruits at the grocery store.
When you go to a grocery store and if you want to buy some fruits, you can use the following sentences. A. Hi, I'm looking for some fresh. B. Hi, I need to get 2 kilos or 4 pounds of, please. Remember guys, the unit of mass in the UK is kilo while it is pound in the US. C. Please pack 2 kilos or 4 pounds of for me. And D. Could you weigh out 2 kilos or 4 pounds of, please? Note guys, each kilo is equal to 2.2 pounds. And here we are going to keep in mind the most common types of fruits in the market. Number 1. Apples. Number 2. Bananas. Number 3. Strawberries. Number 4. Mangoes. Number 5. Pears. Number 6. Apricots. Number 7. Nectarines. Number 8. Persimmons. Number 9. Pomegranates. Number 10. Watermelons. Number 11. Melons. 12. Plums. Number 13. Grapes. Number 14. Cherries. 15. Kiwis. 16. Pineapple. 17. Grapefruits. 18. Oranges or blood oranges. Number 20. Tangerines. 21. Quinces. Number 22. Blueberries. 23. Lemons. 24. Avocados. 26. Peaches. And number 27. Sour cherries.
Hi, I'm looking for some fresh fruits. Or, I'm looking to buy some fresh fruits. What do you have available today? Or you can also ask, what do you have in stock today?
Good morning. We have a variety of fruits in stock today. Which ones are you interested in? Or the shopkeeper can also ask, what are you looking for?
I'm interested in, or I'm looking for some, and can you tell me about the quality of the ones you have?
Sure, we just received the fresh shipment of, and this morning. They are very sweet and juicy. Look at the eye-catching appearance, also the texture and flavor are unique and of high quality.
That sounds great. Can I try out a sample of each to see which ones I like best?
Shopkeeper can answer.
A. Of course, here are a few, and for you to try out. Note guys, in the blank spaces you can use the names of the fruits you're looking for. B. Sorry, we are not allowed to let customers sample it before purchase.
These are both really good. I'll take 4 pounds or 2 kilos of each, please.
Sure thing. Are 6.99 per kilo and are 5.7 per kilo. Is there anything else you're interested in?